Hi, good morning, sir and ma'am. I am Jackie Fresno, 45 years old. I'm physically fit and good mindset. I am married, three child, all boys. They are all studying now. My eldest child, fourth year college now, taking up of aircraft mechanic. My second child, first year college now, taking up of physical therapy. And my youngest, grade 8 student now. My wife, the job is housewife. My family currently living in the Philippines, part of Mindanao, Sultan Kudarat Province. I am TIG welder fabricator, expertise of stainless steel, carbon steel, and alloy. I really love my job and profession as a welder. Every day to make sure to do my task and perfectly and quality to give my company and employer satisfying work result. I did not feel unlazy in my work hours. I love hand and overtime and did not get absent is not very important. For now, I have a current company at Excite Pfizer manufacturing plant. Our work is already done, maybe next month or December.